Besides cold, what a beautiful night. Oh, what a beautiful area. So yeah, everything is packed. Frieda is happy to start today. She already started. Ah, but yeah, such a beautiful campsite. I would say, for me it was the most beautiful campsite in my life. Oh wow, look at this. That's a Berber sign there on top of this. Oh wow. Yeah, we're still in Berber country, of course. Of course we're still in Berber country. Oh wow, that's super cool. I love this Berber sign. And it looks like a little bit like the, what is this, UEFA Champions League? Oh yeah, look at the signs of the Berbers, it looks so cool. This looks so cool. I love those signs. Berber, Berber, Berber. Cold. 1375. And this whole thing in Arabic. That's super cool. Okay, no water, but donkeys. Oh, it's so sad when they tie them together like this. We left the sea area and now heading north through this national park. We had a little bit of really nice tarmac, so completely new I guess. But since a while it's like this, half tarmac, half pissed. But anyway, and anywho, it is just blasting beautiful. Nature is calling. Look to the right there. They already, wow, this bridge, they already brought this thing but never installed it. That's awesome. Bring it here but never install it. 2011 meters and we're climbing. Wow, cool. Of this hill is the snow. Oh, amazing. So yeah, this area in winter is definitely covered by snow. So we're 2043 meters high. So yes, possible. No, not possible. Yes, there's snow. What is this guy doing there? Questions, huh? After we saw those beautiful mountains there, oh, the high Atlas, this guy is pushing his bike. Why? Because some security switch doesn't work. Awesome, best place, but best view. Let's see. Maybe it's really starts just. Oh yes. Wait. There's a happy in everything. Happy. Ah, very good. Well, very good. Yes. Everything is great again. Oh yes, very happy.
I don't get it.
Very happy. Bam 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 bam. Hard ballern. Oh. The high Atlas. Hello, high Atlas. Hello. How high are you? We found a city, a village, and we tried to order something, and today is Ramadan, so no food, but you already can see it. There's bread. So there comes a guy and he said, bro, there's a restaurant. And he talked to the lady, so we get omelette, bread and tea. Ramadan. This will be now another adventure. I've never been to Mongolia. One of those stands, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan and stuff. How did I know? This is a picture for me of Mongolia. So yeah. So maybe I have to go there and see how it is. Maybe it's not like this. But that's amazing. Green. Flat, mountains. And we're on top. 1,930 meters. Very nice, but very windy, cold, and no trees for the campfire. So, okay, goodbye main road. So that's the only hill which have like is proper green, and we try to find there a place now to sleep. But it's 1,938 meters. So the idea was that it's a little bit warmer this day, but no, it's night. No. Okay. Okay, wait is there. Hopefully she starts. There was a road. Tuna doesn't start. Ah man, really? Frieda, thank you for starting always. No, it doesn't start. Oh, fuck. Okay. But Frieda, you wait here, I go down, and then it'll be awesome. Oof. Where is the park spot for you, Frieda? Maybe there? Ah, maybe there. Perfect. Awesome. Look, the Skullmaster is climbing the hill. Skullmaster and Super Tuna. Okay, she's working again. This clutch security thing. Okay, don't look at him, so no crashes. But those boulders are very huge. Rocks or whatever. Okay, Frieda. Ooh. Huh? That's good. Over the hill is good.
Yeah, let's get in the sun.
Yeah, over the hill that's very nice. I just waited here for you.
Oh, she doesn't want to fucking start again.
Okay, so Tuna stands there on this, let's call it a road. Doesn't want to start, but wait will do it, I'm pretty sure. So we talked. And I will go to our hopefully wonderful campsite for tonight. And he will be there in a few minutes. Because like this area would be already okay. But down there looks way better, right? Yes. More flat and sun. And we have definitely wood here. Oh, I love this. Okay, we have two streets, right? One to the left, one to the right. And we stay... What does this say? Nothing. We stay, where do we stay? Ah, you know what? We have time, so we can check the whole thing. So we could sleep here. Looks good, less rocks. And for the shadow, we'll be there in a few minutes. We can stay here in the middle of the road, which looks good as well, but we have more visible, but I'm pretty sure not many people go here. So we don't go up there, that's shit, makes no sense. Then we have this beautiful blue whatever here, so we crashed, sorry. And we have this very sandy area. Oh, it's sandy here, nice. Because we are people of the desert. Be interesting. And there is a spooky thing because there's a hole in the middle of nowhere. Why? No questions, please. No questions, please. Look, and here a lot of holes in the ground. Who's living there? Pretty sure Moroccan mices. Okay, that's another hill. We don't climb. So this is basically very nice with the sand because it's so soft. So I would go for the softness. It's very open here, but who cares? Oh yeah, that's nice with the sand. I like the sand area. I like the sand idea. That's good. You stand. That's perfect for 2 tents here. Look at this. Dusty sand. But yeah, perfect for a tent, I would say. Good. Let's set up the tent. Boom, boom, boom. And then collect wood. Do another fire ring with those wonderful stones here. And then cook our wonderful pasta.